You know I'm feeling
Watch out, watch out, watch
so
out,
I know
watch out.
what you could do.
Hey, fancy, all fancy, you know, tell me if you see.
What? What the fuck?
You are smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Go on, people, it's your girl Nishoy, and
Shanoy.
we're back with another banging video, people. So in today's video, as you can see by the title down below, so we will do finish the lyrics. So here's how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna start to sing a song, and then she's gonna finish the song. If it's wrong, I'll probably give my box. What do you say about that? No, alright. If it's wrong, it's just wrong. So if it's wrong, the other person have to buy the other person something for Valentine's Day. That's just it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell on your YouTube so you can get uploads and you won't miss an upload of me and Shanoy. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Here we go now. Hey, we get copyright. Cause her up something there. Find the part when you start sing.
Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. Didn't even put up a fight. Didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but you never really had a doubt.
Standing in the light of a halo. I got no faith now. It's like I've been waiting. Every rumor got me breaking. Is that the risk that I'm taking? And I never wanna shut you out. Baby, when I look to now, I'm surrounded by your regrets. Alright, me get the one there. Me dip on 1 pint. No sing me song, you have to feel it when me start. Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa. I know you love me. I know you care. Shout ever, and I'll be there. You want my love. You want my heart. And I will never, ever, ever be apart.
The first love broke my heart for the first time, and now I'm like, baby, 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 baby.
Alright, you're about 1 pint now. Good girl. Here. No, I feel go. Feel go.
The times that you ain't on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my.
All the times you raided my parade, and all the times you get and using mine. Na 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 na.
You're serious?
And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I would carry dope. But you still pick the phone up, and I didn't want to lose the song.
You didn't want to lose the song, too.
Alright, people, so next song up from me is wait. Work, 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 work. See me have to work, 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 work. See me do me da 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 da. See me now they work, 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 work. You want me na 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 na. Da na na da da. Yeah, you are deserved. I believe all the repeats of the creation.
Get to you. I hope that to see this through. What can I say? Can you recognize I'm trying, baby?
To work. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the lady, Shanoy.
I want nothing.
Hey.
I want nada. I'm sitting patient, patient. I know you gotta put in them hours.
Hey.
I'ma make it harder.
You meet one time in Rochester.
Take that to picture. I'ma get you fired.
Always on the night shift, and it's always in the night. We're gonna dance all night to make shift, and we're gonna move our body now. Hey, gotta go to work. Ooh. Me no. Sit down.
Can't ball in a life, man.
I saw.
Go on with it.
Sit down.
Are you kidding me?
To us. So we come here with a force, yeah.
Listen to your reaper, we coursing on foot.
We're gonna rise and push.
Yeah, we give
Thanks and I really support.
we have to give thanks like we really supposed to.
Be thankful. Blessing fall upon my right hand. We thank God every day.
And the earnings are just for the plus, yeah. Gratitude is a must, yeah. Blessing fall upon my right hand.
Left
But
hand.
suppose fighting then and time they sit down in a class and we board and
We think to us and we go on with it. So now, ladies and gentlemen, pull up. We got the lady coffee on the phone. And we're gonna play sing along. Here we go.
where will we go? When the quarantine done and everybody touch road. Mommy, they gonna start pull up in a fast car, yeah. On a fast car, make you want the fast car, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling
Watch
you.
out.
So I know what you can do.
Hey, fancy. Oh, fancy. You know, tell me if you see. Nigga, put your pan lockdown.
Hey,
Put your body pan lockdown. You got me pan lockdown. I remember the lockdown. You should let me. You should let me. You should let me. You should let me now. Sit here, hold them. Last tune from the building.
She's just
The girl, she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy. Lonely like the highway. She's on fire. Feeling the catastrophe. But she knows she can fly away. Oh,
she got the head on the ground and she's not turning down.
oh.
She got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down.
Well it.
This girl is on fire. This
Girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Run the world, girls. Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? There you have it, people, and this is the last song of the night or the evening. Shall feel ourselves, people, but anyhow, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We do hope you enjoy this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Who you think win? Huh? Let you guys vote. Alright, guys, see ya.